In this tutorial, I will show you how to make an Instagram grid post in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Set the canvas size to 3240 by 1080 pixels so the design can be split into 3 equal Instagram posts. After entering the dimensions, click Create New Design to open your canvas. Next, start designing your grid post. You can add images, text, graphics, or templates from the Elements and Photos sections. Customize the design so it looks good across the entire wide canvas. Make sure important elements are positioned correctly so they look seamless when the image is split into separate posts. Once your design is complete, go to the Apps section on the left side and search for Image Splitter. Open the tool and select the option to split your design. Choose 1 row and 3 columns so the design is divided into 3 equal square images. After the images are generated, click Add All Images to bring the split images into your project. Finally, click Share and then Download to save the images to your device. When posting on Instagram, upload the images in order so they appear as a seamless grid across your feed. That is how you make an Instagram grid post in Canva.